Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today I'm going to prepare a fish, a humble fish, like a porgy, that costs maybe $4, $5, maybe $6 a pound, but lightly seasoned, dredged, and fried, it is delicious and a beautiful canvas for any type of sauce or topping. Let's get started. I have my fish. It's already been patted dry with a paper towel. Now I'm just going to salt it generously on the top, in the middle, on the back. Now pepper, all the same places. And finally, I'm going to sprinkle it with some flour, just like that. And like that. One thing I forgot to do, but it's not too late, is I'm going to cut a few lines into here to help everything get fried up nicely and create more frying lines. Let me get a knife. I should have ideally done this before the salt and the pepper, but that's okay. Make sure your knife is nice and sharp and just go in, I don't know, maybe 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, just like that. And the same thing on the other side. And that is ready to go into the hot oil. I have about 1/3, maybe 1/2 inch of oil in the pan. It's nice and hot, about 350 degrees, and I'm going to gingerly put the fish in here. It's going to cook for about 3 minutes per side, maybe a little bit more if the fish is fatter, a little bit less if it's really skinny. And it's going to get nice and golden brown. That's also a good indicator that it's ready to flip. And then about 3 minutes on the other side. Make sure to be nice and gentle with the fish when you're handling it. You don't want the skin to break. And that is ready to come out. Alright, let's get this thing plated. I have some rice here. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that you can really let your imagination run wild. If you have salsa or pico de gallo, just put it right on top, or a nice marinara. We today just have a few herbs, some cilantro, and some scallions. I'm going to put those right on top like that. A little bit of lemon to squeeze on top, and I also have some sweet garlicky chili sauce I made the other day. I'm just going to drape just across the top like that. Give or take that if you like spicy or sweet, or you can leave it off. There you go, fried fish, quick, simple, economical. Enjoy!